Hello friends, my name is Disa Hittal Ashramik Vidyalaya Killa Padi, Standard 8, Subject English, Unit 2, Poem, Geography Lesson. Can you imagine what your city would look like if you saw it from 10,000 feet above the ground, neatly planned and perfect in proportion like a geometric design? It would strike you as something very different from what is actually is while you are in the thick of it. Here is a poet's description of just view of the city and some questions that come to his mind. So students, this is a poem of geography lesson. This poem is divided into three stanzas, means three parts. Three parts. First stanza, when the jet sprang into the sky. Sprang. Sprang means here. Flew. Sprang means flew. Sprang means flew into the sky. When the jet sprang into the sky. It was clear by the city. When the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear by the city. The poem is about the way Earth looks from different altitudes, had developed the way it had. Seeing it scaled. Scaled means measured. Scaled means synonym means measured 6 inches to the mile. When the jet takes off and starts to climb up in the sky, you can have full height view of the city. The city grew as per its necessity and did not grow as per proper planning. There seemed an inevitability. Inevitability means ki certainly. Inevitability means certainly. Inevitability means certainly. About what on ground had looked haphazard. Haphazard means disorganized. Haphazard means disorganized, unplanned and without style. When the jet sprang into the sky, there seemed an invalidity. It does not have any particular style. With the rising of the jet, the map of the city down below shows a length of a mile, corresponding just to a 6 inches. Second stanza, when the jet reached 10,000 feet. When the jet reached 10,000 feet. When the jet climbs a higher up about 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. Populated means inhabited. Populated means inhabited. It was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. It was clear he could apprehend the fact the cities grew of water and resource. Water fulfilled the necessities like agriculture, transport, business, and others. He found that when the clearly delineated, when the jet reached 10,000 feet and valleys were populated, when that he found that valleys were populated, which met the necessities of the people. Third stanza, when the jet rose 6 miles high. Curve, when the jet went above a 6 miles? It was a clear the earth was round. There is more water than land on the earth, and that it more sea than land. And while geographical necessities, but it was difficult to understand. क्या बोलता है कि but it was difficult to understand that the men on the earth found cures to the hate each other, to build walls across cities and to kill. From that height it was not clear why, but it was difficult to understand. But the men on the earth found. The poet implies that we should realize that if God made earth is one undivided whole, so is humanity, in spite of our racial, culture and ethnic difference. Why we still hate or kill each other is beyond the poet's understanding. So students, इस पोइम में जियोग्राफी लेसन्स की जब इसमें किसका वर्णन किया गया है, इवेंट एक नगर सिटी का वर्णन उसमें इस पोइम में किया गया है कि इस पोइम में नगर का वर्णन किया गया है। उसमें आप एक हवाई जहाज़ में बैठे हो और हवाई जहाज़ की खिड़की में से आप नीचे का दृश्य देख रहे हो कि पृथ्वी पे अर्थ पे खिड़की से देख रहे हो कि सभी जो चीज़ें हैं कैसी अस्त व्यस्त रखी हुई है, कितने हैं रिवर्स है, तालाब है, ये सब कैसी पोजीशन है उसकी, जो मनुष्य है, जो यहाँ के फार्मर्स हैं, जितने भी पॉपुलेटेड वस्ती कितना है वहाँ यहाँ की परिस्थिति पोजीशन कैसी है, वो आप एक हवाई जहाज में बैठ के देख सकते हो। सो स्टूडेंट्स, I will return a question answer and send you a PDF, and you will write down the question answer your notebook and read these questions. Thank you.